Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install the Opera web browser on a fresh Windows 10 install. Alright, so first go here to the Windows Store and in the search box click Opera or type Opera. Enter. Alright, and we have the Opera browser here. Let's click install. Alright, installation is done. Alright, we can exit out of here, close this window, and then hit the start button. And then here you can see Opera recently added. Now if you want a shortcut, just left click, hold down, drag, and then you have a shortcut here. And also you can highlight this one, drag it down, and also put it in your taskbar. And now you have Opera browser. So let's check. Alright, and we have Opera browser. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and have a great day.